actually bought till date for wearing in our puja, everyday puja celebrations rather.
So as you guys know, puja already started, so we thought of doing this. So if you are interested, then keep on watching.
So we'll start with our first outfit. My first outfit is this top. It's more like a formal top actually.
Very pretty color.
She also has the same one,
but in blue color. I'll show you in a bit. So I have this kurti. We are showing you guys randomly because whatever comes in our hand, we are showing it to you guys. So next is this kurti. We have to press it. This is how it looks. Very pretty.
Very comfortable also.
Yeah, very. I guess this is. I don't know which material it is, but it is very comfortable.
Next I have is also a kurti.
We got a lot of kurtis this puja.
The material is quite heavy
and comfortable as well. We got both these kurtis from Kolkata Bazaar.
We very much liked them, so we thought of grabbing them and we bought them.
Yeah. So next I have is a top, and this
top is just so pretty.
This is how it looks. This is something different that we don't have actually.
More like a Rajasthani style actually.
Yeah. We can wear it, but it is very heavy. So we have to. I think it will be better if we wear it in winter.
I have is a tee, which is very much comfortable. It's more of a normal day's cloth. We found this very comfortable. The cloth is very soft, so it's a regular wear kind of a tee. So yeah,
and these are affordable clothes. So yeah. So next I have is another tee, and we got both of them from Kolkata Bazaar. This is how it looks.
Next I have got is a very beautiful top. I loved it. It's like love at first sight. I fell in love with the colors of this
cute color.
It's very cute and pretty. And with this I have got a jeans also for pairing it. I was finding this jeans for a very long time. Finally I got them. And I love this jeans.
So next I have is this long kurti. I love it. I don't have a kurti in this color. I just loved it. Just look at it. It is so long, just so long,
and it's so comfortable.
Yeah, it is very comfortable.
It's made of cotton.
My mother altered it for me because it was huge, like very much huge.
Triple size.
Yeah, it was triple size, so my mother had to alter it for me. So, yeah. This is another long kurti that I got.
I have this is actually my favorite most outfit I have got. It's actually a body fit dress.
You will feel when you will first see, you will feel that she will not fit in it.
Whenever I'm wearing it, I feel so comfortable, and it's body cone, so people can also see my figure.
I can also wear it, but
so never mind.
So next I have is a dress, and it's a very pretty color. It's yellow in color, and this is how it looks. So this is very pretty, so I thought of grabbing it. So it was affordable as well. So yeah.
Next I have is a cotton top. I found it very cute, so I bought it.
Actually, this was bought
previous year.
Yeah.
And we forgot that we actually had this. While cleaning, we found this.
So I have got jeans, and this is a different kind of jeans. We don't own any of this kind of jeans. We don't own, so we thought of getting it. This is how it looks. High-waisted jeans actually. So with this, I'll wear this top, this blue color top.
It's the same pattern top I have in red.
Very pretty, very pretty.
It's very much formal. It's
Yeah, very much formal, and with this jeans I'll wear this, and it's a very pretty colored top, and it fits very well. So yeah.
Next I have got is actually a kurti with palazzo. This kurti is given by her. She gifted me in advance for my birthday actually. Genuinely like this and I told her to buy this for me.
We got it from Flipkart.
This is so pretty.
We actually got it from Flipkart, and if I get the link, I'll definitely put it in the description box. Don't forget to check the description box.
And a palazzo with it. It's very comfortable. It's new in design, so
We basically bought comfortable dress, these puja. So next I have is another dress, and I love this dress because it is a leopard print, and I am very much obsessed with this kind of print. So I got one. This is how it looks. This is how it looks, and with this there is another top. It's not a top, but
tank top.
yeah, it will go here so that it covers the chest part. So this is for that, and yeah, I love this dress. It's my favorite dress from the entire lot that I showed you guys. So yeah.
Next I have is a very comfortable kurti. I love the design. It's very much comfortable, more of a khadi kapod. The design is so pretty.
And we don't have any cloth with this color, so we thought of getting it. And the second last top that I have is this one. This is how it looks. Casual top. We can go wearing this anywhere, to tuitions, to
And it's
class,
very
to
comfortable.
college, anywhere. It's very comfortable as well. It's huge though, but it is very comfortable.
So
This is our last outfit. Yeah, top or outfit, whatever you can call.
Both are of same style,
But
very
different
comfortable.
sizes.
I can wear it as a off-shoulder one also, or simply like this, and it's very much comfortable.
So these were the outfits
That we bought for our puja, and we are gonna wear them
From
and
tomorrow.
spend our puja days very nicely.
So yeah, hope you guys like it,
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
and please let us know which dress or kurti or tops you like. Please don't forget to mention that in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.